If you're missing teeth like me, chances are you've been looking everywhere for a partial. The problem is when you try to get a partial through an actual dentist office, it can cost thousands of dollars. And if you don't have insurance, it can double. That's why I was super excited when I found out about ResetSmile. ResetSmile offers partial dentures at half the cost of what you would pay at a dentist office. It's customized for you so that you can smile with confidence without going to the dentist office.
So of course I placed my order with ResetSmile.
Partial came and it included this cute compact mirror, and it doubles as a case so you can store away your partial. I am missing 2 molars, one on the left and on the right, which has left me a bit self-conscious when I smile or take photos, and it can make it pretty hard to eat certain foods. This is what my partial looks like. I was super duper impressed by the quality of my partial. They even got the color match correct with my teeth. I'm going to use my mirror to pop it in. And just like that, I have my partial in. It was easy to put in, it's comfortable, and I can smile and eat with confidence. So whether you're missing 1 tooth, 2 teeth, or multiple, ResetSmile has got you covered. So if you're ready to start smiling and chewing with confidence, make sure to head over to ResetSmile.com.